Waheshimiwa wote tafadhali.
Atumia aya megwikinyitie thingira-ini wa iregi ni undu wa igongona ria mwanya. Igongona ria gutuga atumia ni undu wa merutaniria mao. Na umwe kwa umwe Julia Ojambo, Beth Mugo, Zipora Kitoni, Lady Justice Joyce Oluoch, Professor Wanjiku Kabira, Eda Gashukia, Jane Kiano, Maria Nzomo na Geige matugwo na ngerenwa itiganite ni merutaniria mao hari kumatha ukuria wa atumia.
Indeed, I call upon all Kenyans to recognize the women whose contributions we celebrate today. We recognize your unqualified contribution in the struggle for the liberation of our nation from our colonial masters. And indeed, even after we got our independence, you have continued to participate in the process of transforming our nation to what it is today.
I have the benefit of having a great woman for a mother. And I have even the bigger benefit of having a great prayer warrior for a wife. And I think 3/4 of my success is because of those two women. I wouldn't be standing here.
No hari atumia aya ni atumia eri Nyiva Mwendwa na mutumia wa mutongoria wa mung'ethaniro Ida Odinga aria matugirwo na ngerenwa ya iguru muno ya Elder of the Golden Heart. Ida agitugota mutumia unyitireire na njira ya mwanya utongoria wa kiuteti bururi-ini na ta mutumia wananyita atumia angi guoko hari kumatha uthii wa nambere.
These women of accomplishment richly deserve our praise, for they have all shaped our history and they have built institutions to carry on the efforts to transform Kenya.
During the struggle for independence, women played a very major role in the liberation of our country. In the post-independence period, which Phoebe has chronicled in the book, women have played a very major role.
Igongona riri oroho rionire kurugurio kwa ibuku riandikitwo ni Phoebe Asio.
Mama Asio is one of those women for whom glass ceilings never existed.
Then I decide to get into parliament, venturing into the dangerous zone, Mr. President. Literally stepping on a live wire. And the kind of officials tell me, they tell me in my face to go and cook for my husband instead of bothering the men. And my son, who is 7 years old, Caesar, looks up to me and says, "Mom, tell them we have a cook."
Igongona ria gutuga atumia riurire tafanagio o mwaka rungu rwa mubango uretwo Trailer Blazers Initiative niguo gukungwira atumia aria macangĩire hari gukura kwa bururi guoka ni kiuteti ukoria wa utonga na maundu mangi ma kurehe uthii wa nambere muingi-ini. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV njitagwo Monica Kagoni.
Kupongezwa na Mheshimiwa Rais kwa juhudi ambazo wamefanya, wameiga mfano